The biggest change coming this year is the Dss Facelift. This is a major upgrade to DSS, and we have completely overhauled the look and feel of the screens that you see to make them cleaner and easier to use. Our lead engineers have focused a great deal of time and effort on usability, and as you can see, this is a huge improvement over the current design. We are also working to internationalize DSS so that you can add foreign language content, even character-based languages like Chinese and Korean, to your sites. Once this upgrade is complete, you'll even be able to create entire websites in a foreign language. As for actual DSS functionality, we're kicking off the year with a focus on additional SEO optimization. You probably don't realize it, but there is a great deal that DSS does for you when it comes to SEO, so you don't have to think about it. Here are just a couple of examples. One example, keyword-rich URLs. DSS uses the page title of your content item, or the question in your FAQ, at the end of your URL string, so it is clear to the search engines and to website visitors what your page is about. If you create a useful keyword-rich page title in DSS, this will appear in the link to your content item that shows up on the search results. This is another way to let site visitors know what that page is about. Every single site we have is set up with a very user-friendly 404 page. If a user tries to go to a page that does not exist on your site, they will see a special page that contains all the navigation options of a regular page, so they can quickly go somewhere else on your site. The point is, you're not going to lose that visitor because they just go to a standard error page. In addition, our servers give the search engines the correct page not found message, which is great for your SEO. If you delete a page on your site in DSS, we automatically create what is called a 301 redirect. This is where we tell the site visitors and the search engines where to go when a legitimate link no longer exists. You can even pick this link yourself if you want to forward it to a new content page.
We add a video sitemap to each site we create, so if you use videos, the search engines are given additional information about your videos to help you with your SEO. DSS is designed to tell search engines which link is the primary link for a given page. This means that even though you might have multiple URLs that allow web visitors to arrive to the same page, only the main URL specified in the canonical tag matters.
What's new in DSS as far as SEO improvements? We are going to implement author tagging for all content items. You will be able to associate a bio with each piece of content that you add, which will tell Google that this article or blog post was written by a real person in your company. We are also implementing Schema Tagging, a markup language defined and agreed to by all the major search engines. Schema Tagging, which is very similar to using rich snippets, will become a bigger factor in search results going forward, and we're going to build this into all of our sites. Right now, we only have an RSS feed on your blog. Going forward, we're going to add RSS feeds to your library items, your FAQs, your news, so that you can share these items more easily with your followers. All of our websites will be given a generic privacy policy linked to all of your contact forms to ensure that you comply with Google and other search engines' requirements when collecting contact information from your website visitors. One of the greatest challenges that our clients face is understanding what is working on their sites and what isn't. The new dashboard will help you focus on what pages are attracting site visitors and which ones are actually leading to conversions. By marrying statistics on site traffic with conversion, you'll really be able to refine your online marketing effort to give visitors what they really want. You'll also be able to see how firms like yours compare, and you'll get to compare your work to that of our top-ranking clients, so you can see what it takes to be successful.
In the new DSS, we want to give clients the tools they need to curate their own content. One of the great features we're working on for the new dashboard is the conversion calculator. So how does it work? The conversion calculator takes the number of people who visited a particular page and the number of leads generated by that page and calculates the rate at which visitors are converted into potential clients. By knowing which pages convert better than others, you can make improvements to specific content pages to bring in more leads.
If you're frustrated with trying to manage your list of contacts and are tired of dealing with a third-party contact management tool, then you're going to like what we're doing here. We've spent time interviewing users and our own marketing department to find out what features you really want and need from a contact management system. We'll make it easy for you to run drip campaigns for your offers. For example, if you have a free book available on your site, you can set up follow-up emails for people who order it. We're also going to redesign the newsletter interface in DSS. Did you even know that you can create and manage your newsletter right in DSS? Well, we're going to make it easier to use and to track its success. Anywhere you see an image in DSS, and there are plenty of places where you can add images to your website, we'll make it easier to add, crop, resize, and tag your images. We're even exploring ways to integrate DSS with stock photography sites like iStock Photo, so you can quickly buy your own images to use on the site. We are going to focus on making it easier for you to upload and manage your videos in DSS. Not only do we want DSS to be easy to use, but we also want to educate you on how to shoot and process better videos and train you to optimize the written content that accompanies your videos. Did you know that we have a new DSS User Group? If you or anyone in your office who uses DSS is interested in joining, you can ask anyone at Foster Web Marketing about this group. We meet once a month and provide mini training sessions, talk about issues that are important to users, and show you how to use new features in DSS. We'll also have gatherings at the Foster conferences for you to attend and meet your peers. As you can see, DSS is so much more than a content management system, and your site is so much more useful than the static websites your competitors are using.